So now I'd like to introduce our speakers. Rakesh is the VP of Operations at ADF Engineering and has over 20 years of experience in engineering, project management, construction, and operations. His specialty is industrial water and wastewater treatment, and his experience spans across the food and beverage, pharmaceutical, chemical, biofuel, and manufacturing industries. Kurt is the Senior Project Manager at ADF Engineering and brings over 30 years of experience to the team. His focus at ADF is the management of special projects, particularly involving client investment strategy for existing or new site development, master planning, or site selection. So with that, I'll turn it over to Rakesh and Kurt for today's presentation.
Thank you, Tim, and good morning to everybody. My name is Rakesh Patel, like Tim mentioned. I'm going to start off the presentation, just do a couple of slides introducing ADF Engineering. I see several new faces, people who may have not necessarily worked with ADF before, may not know as much about us. So most of the presentation is going to be focused on skids and modular system, but I thought it'd be beneficial for some to talk about ADF Engineering. So we are in our 21st year of existence right now, started in 2023. We are process and facility engineers. So we do end-to-end engineering. We also do quite a few turnkey projects and design build projects where we partner up with our construction partners to execute that as a turnkey delivery for our clients. Most of our projects are in United States, some in Canada, Mexico. We also have experience working in the East, in China, some projects in Brazil. So we do most of our projects here in States, but we can go international if there's a need. Our clients, you can see that from the wheel there, our clients are in cornstarch, sweeteners, business. Big chunk of our clients are there. We do a good bit of work in what we call food processing, food and beverage for human consumption. Pet food market is a big segment. Chemical manufacturing, oil seeds, and general manufacturing. We have in-house design capabilities for process mechanical design, civil structural design, electrical designs, controls and instrumentation, project management, on-site construction management, and we do audits for energy, structural dust hazards, and process safety is a big chunk of what we do as well. So continuing about ADF, we have two primary offices. I'm located in our headquarters just outside of Dayton, Ohio. We also have an office in Omaha, Nebraska, strategically located for many of our clients in that area. We have remote satellite presence in St. Louis, that is where Kurt is. And then we have presence in Owensboro, Kentucky, and Georgetown, Kentucky. I already talked about different market segments that we work in. We have a professional staff of about 50. We have, most of us are licensed professional engineers. We have PEs licensed in 35 states, and we can get licensing in the rest of the states through committee. We work with a lot of large Fortune 500 companies. We do maintain a $5 million professional liability insurance. And like I said, we can do projects, and we do projects all across the United States. So with that, I will hand it off to Kurt to start the skid portion of presentation, and then I'll come back and talk about a little bit about project execution strategies and share some of the projects that we've done in this space.
Okay, welcome again, everyone, and thank you for taking time out today to join us. The agenda today is to provide an overview of skidded systems, their benefits, when are they value added, criteria for success, give a few examples, and then answer any questions that you might have. Modularization entails the large-scale transfer of stick-build construction effort from the job site to one or more local or distance fabrication shops in order to exploit one or more strategic advantages. So modularization's been around for a long time. There's been